Right, hello, we're going to do a thing based on a word. Somebody shout out a word.
Grinder.
Grinder. Thank you. We will commence. Just shove it in there, Dave. Shove it in there, I'll grind it all up. That's right.
Do you want me to push it down?
Yeah, push it down, yeah. Yeah, it's not going to go too easily, they're not really designed for bodies.
No.
Okay, that's coming out nicely.
What are they designed for then?
Well, bodies, I suppose that's the point, yeah. But, you know, bodies that have been processed, not just, that have just been hacked apart, that have still got bone and that in them. Men have been mainly just meat.
Seems to be doing a good job.
It's doing a very good job, yeah.
Good idea, this.
Oh, yeah. Best way to dispose of a body, this is.
Yeah. And
You get a load of mincemeat out of it.
perfect for the barbecue on Saturday.
Oh, yeah, lovely. Can't wait. You bring in Sheila.
Of course.
Yeah,
Of course.
lovely.
Wouldn't get away with it.
Yeah,
No. Imagine me just going to the barbecue. And you go, oh, actually, I'm just popping to Dave's barbecue.
Oh, yeah. No, she wouldn't like that, would she?
Can you imagine?
Oh, I can imagine, yeah.
Ooh, fucking hell. Get
Yeah.
in the air.
Women, eh?
Women.
Yeah. I reckon I'm well out of it now.
Yeah. Well, she's not going to complain much, is she?
Well, no, not anymore, no. Whew. Shall we have a break there? I mean, we've got enough mincemeat there to make the sausages.
Yeah?
Yeah, leave the rest till later.
Put the foot back.
Put the foot back, yeah. Yeah, I think we can make some nice burgers out of this, actually. There we go. I was thinking of bringing along another woman to the Barbie.
Oh, to the Barbie, not
Barbie.
to the mincer.
Oh no, not to the mincer. No.
Not yet, anyway.
No, we got quite enough for now, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I mean, I've been on Tinder, see.
Oh, yeah.
I was planning this, obviously, so I thought I'd start looking around, see who else is available at present. Found a nice lady.
Yeah?
She seems just my type, you know. And we get on really well. And also, she's quite a large lady.
Oh, curvy, I think is the
curvy.
curves.
And
curves.
and fat, you know.
No.
No?
No, you don't say that.
Oh, she's got curvy fat. Fat curves, which is best.
After the mincer.
Well, this is the thing. If it doesn't go well, plenty of sausages. So I win either way.
Yeah, burgers are curvy.
That's right. Yeah, curvy.
You didn't write that in your little bio, did you?
The bit about if you don't go well, I'll make you into burgers. No, I didn't put that. No, originally I did. I was getting very few matches. Then I twigged.
Cunning.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Did you use that picture of you with your apron on and your funny hat?
Oh yeah. I'll show you. Yeah. There you go.
It's weird. You do kind of look a bit like a woman with the. It does look like you're wearing underwear with that apron. It's hilarious.
Yeah, I know. Very, very funny. Yeah. I don't know how they think of them. I really don't.
I can't imagine.
Yeah.
I can't imagine what to put on an apron.
A lady body.
A lady body.
Yeah.
It's hilarious.
I know.
Oh. Yeah. Clever.
Yeah. Well, you'll meet her on Saturday then at the Barbie.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Her name's Daisy.
Daisy?
Daisy.
Daisy and David?
Daisy and David, yeah. It's a bit of a misleading name, I thought, really, because, you know, Daisy, very slender, isn't it?
What, a flower?
Yeah. Made you think she's going to be quite slim, and then she's fat, curvy fat. She's got curvy fat.
Mustn't say that though, Dave.
Fat curves.
No.
No?
Not either of them. I mean, a slender, slim flower might be a nice way of talking to her. You know, try and use that.
Oh, right, then I'll find out.
But then not make too many connections. Like,
No.
you know, when she walks around and stuff, you go, whoa. Flowers don't walk around. I mean, that wouldn't be
No, I
the
see.
correct thing to say.
I see what you're saying there.
Just like, I'm going to chop you up and put you in the blender. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to, do you?
Chop up and put them in the blender?
Yeah.
Well, no, I mean, if it goes well, then there'll be no need, will there?
No.
No.
shame about you guys. I mean, I thought you'd last a bit longer.
Yeah, I know. I really thought we had something, you know. But sometimes relationships just don't work out. Thought we'd get past the second date, but there we are.
Yeah. You had so much in common.
We did. The love of burgers for one.
Mustn't joke about that.
No, but
Especially on the barbecue.
in all seriousness, I think it's the way she'd wanted to go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, if you like burgers, you. No, it's not, is it? No.
No,
Have we?
three.
This is awful what we've done here.
We?
Well, you don't mince her.
I'm just helping dispose of it.
Yeah. No, I'm starting to feel bad now.
Really? Now? Not when you were like hitting her with the spade? Was that?
Well, you know, I was just in a red rage then. I wasn't thinking straight, was I? You know how I get.
Yeah, but not to that extent. I mean, you've never hit me with a spade.
Well, no, but, you know, she's done very hurtful things, actually.
I understand.
She said that my apron looked stupid.
What?
She said it looked stupid. I know. And that it was...
What? What did she say?
She said...
It's alright, it's alright. You can tell me.
She said it was sexist.
You're not sexist.
That's what I said. And then I hit her over the head repeatedly with a spade.
Yeah, I know that bit, but
I know I'm not.
you're not.
No. Nothing wrong with having a sexy naked lady on your apron.
Well, it's fully naked, is she?
Well, no.
She's got the underwear on.
Exactly, that's what I said.
Yeah.
But by that point, she didn't really have much of a head left, so she didn't really respond.
So she just said sexist and then you launched at her, or was there there must have been a bit of in between?
Well, it was,
Usually you start shouting things and that's at the point when I usually calm you down and tell you everything's going to be okay, but you went straight for the shade.
I just snapped. You know how much I love this apron.
I know. It's a great apron.
It is a great apron.
I mean, it's almost like you want to wear an apron over the apron to protect that apron. It's so nice.
I do sometimes. I mean, I've got a lot of blood on it now. I'm really upset about that. That's her fault.
Don't get too upset.
All right.
Yeah?
I'm just wondering if I overreacted, you know.
Mate, don't beat yourself up about it.
I don't know. I mean, was it worth it for an apron? I'm going to put it in a wash, see if I get the blood off.
Yeah.
Well, I know it's walk under the bridge now, isn't it? Nothing I can do about it.
No,
No.
not at all.
I suppose, you know, the best thing you can do when you make mistakes in life is learn from them. So I won't do anything to Daisy.
She's going on a date with you, is she?
Yeah, she's coming to the Barbie on Saturday, yeah.
Oh, she's actually come to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Barbie.
yeah,
God,
yeah.
blimey, okay. Wow. So you're actually going to be, she's going to be eating.
My previous, yeah, a bit weird, isn't it, actually? That's fine, it's fine. There'll be like ketchup on them.
Yeah.
It'll be nice.
It will
Quite
be.
might find a few onions.
Of course.
Yeah, it's going to be good, can't wait.
I'll bring some mini cheddars.
All right, brilliant.
Nice little starter.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I'll see you there then.
All right. Lovely, David. Thank you for having me here.
I'm
No, you haven't had me here, have
No.
you? No.
Do you want another burger?
Another one? Couldn't possibly.
Oh, they're very good though, aren't they?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
like-
but
I'll get you another one.
I'm trying to watch my weight.
Oh, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. You're like a flower, beautiful slender flower.
Am I?
Yeah. You know, you've got a lot more curvy fat than a slender flower, but
A what?
just some of the curvy fat you've got. Sorry. The fat curves. You've got fat curves.
I don't appreciate that word.
Curves.
No, the other one.
Got. You've.
The F word.
What, fat?
That one.
Well, but you've got loads of fat, haven't you?
No. Yes. But
Here, go on, have your burger.
I don't really want it now.
Oh, go on. Have a taste.
No,
Go on,
David,
go on,
no,
go on,
no,
go on.
no.
There you go, it's lovely, isn't it? Swallow, swallow. There you go, lovely stuff. Is that enough onions for you? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
David, I don't. That was a good burger.
Another one?
No, no,
need
David,
another one.
no, please, no. David,
You?
I think I'm going to go.
Well, go there.
I just don't think this is working out. Thank you, but I'm sorry. It just hurts when you use that word.
Fat? When I say you're fat, when I talk about how fat you are. You don't like it when I say, oh, you're really fat. But you are really fat, Dave. Do you ever say fat? Look how fat you are. You're so fat. Why wouldn't you like me talking about how you're so fat? Daisy. I don't mind.
What do you mean?
Well, I like it.
You like my curves?
Of course I do, yeah. I wouldn't have swiped up right if I wasn't into curvy ladies, would I?
Like,
I think you look really tasty.
tasty?
Yeah, you know, tasty. Like, I mean, like when people say tasty and they mean like sexy, not actually. I don't mean actually tasty, obviously, because why would I mean that? It's not like I'm going to eat you, is it? No, I mean sexy, tasty.
I wouldn't mind if you did.
Oh, that's interesting. Would you not?
It's been a long time for me.
Has it?
I mean, I've been with men, sure,
Oh,
but
gosh.
I was very young when I last went with a man, and I have to admit, David, I gave up.
Did you?
Yeah, he was so special, and he was so good to me. And when he left, I
Yeah.
just felt like there would be nothing else like him, and I just decided to not bother anymore and just eat, keep eating.
Oh,
Gorge on whatever I wanted.
oh, we can change all that, Daisy.
What? I stop eating?
We'll not stop completely, but, you know, put down. Not so many burgers. I won't make you eat any more. I'm sorry I shoved that last one in your face.
Yeah, that was a bit much.
It was, I got carried away. I do get carried away sometimes.
I understand.
Yeah.
When you get carried away,
Yeah.
do you ever get carried away when you eat women?
I did get quite carried away with my last girlfriend.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't think she liked being...
I don't want to hear the details.
Oh,
I mean,
right.
It's just not something you share.
No,
with-
you're right, you're right.
Talking about exes, I talked about mine, and you talked about yours, and I think that's probably
All right, yeah,
enough
we'll leave that
to say
there.
about it,
Yeah.
each other's previous
Yeah.
partners.
Suffice to say, it won't be the first time I've eaten a woman.
Wow. Are you good?
I think
Yeah.
I do pretty well, yeah. Oh yeah. Do you want another burger?
No, I was
Oh,
just-
you look like you're hungry.
No, I just wanted to see your tongue.
Oh well, it's just a normal one. That close enough.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, you're right. Got bits of burger on them, so that's probably quite revolting.
David,
Yeah.
I mean, this might be a bit forward, but maybe I could stay tonight.
Okay, if you want, of course you can. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, and then, what, you want me to, like, eat you tonight? I don't have any more burgers in that case. I mean, I'm going to go full, aren't I? Blimey. Wow, it's quite exciting, this, actually.
To keep your energy up
Yeah, well, true. Cool.
and everything else.
Yeah. Alright,
Oh God, I feel like a teenager again.
yeah.
Do you feel like a teenager?
I suppose, yeah, a little bit, yeah. Yeah,
It's so
well,
exciting, isn't
yeah,
it?
it's good,
My
yeah.
heart's all fluttering. I feel a bit queasy inside.
Do you? Alright, well,
That might be the burgers, but
yeah.
it's just so exciting. It's just been so long. I'm sorry.
It's alright. Well, look, you go inside, get yourself, I don't know, clean and that.
Sure, I mean, I'll get myself clear. The guests are they going to be leaving soon?
I'll have a word, I'll get rid of them, yeah.
Get rid of, you mean, make it like subtle.
I'll
Don't
make
tell
it
them
sort
what
of,
we're
don't
gonna
worry,
do.
but I'll just suggest that, it's time to draw things to a close.
Alright.
I'll just eat the last few burgers now and say we've run out of food.
Wow, I don't know where you put it all.
I'm going to... Good menu.
Yeah.
Okay.
David, I'm going to go inside.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'll see you
All right.
in a bit, alright.
Well, that's the last of the mini cheddars.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's a shame, I just...
What's
Oh yeah, sorry, I had too many burgers at once.
there's
didn't I?
none left?
No, I should have six in my mouth at once there. It was a mistake. Yeah, look.
What?
Have you met Daisy?
Yeah.
She's right, yeah. Well, the
It's
thing is,
not that bad.
she's brilliant.
It's brilliant. Yeah, I mean, well, you said, that she was. Yeah, she's alright.
Yeah, she is, yeah. She wants me to eat her.
What?
She wants me to do it, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I mean,
Like,
well, yeah, like Leaf. She's into that apparently. I know.
I mean, I've heard of
I know.
like nibbling or chewing or love bites, but not the whole fucking chomp.
No. Well, I think she just wants to be like, well, making the burgers or whatever.
Yeah.
No, I mean, last time I didn't really enjoy it because I felt bad about it. Because I don't think she wanted it,
That's normal, by the way.
Belinda.
Like feeling bad about what you do.
Is it all good? Because I do.
Yeah,
I have felt quite bad about it
I mean,
since.
really, it should teach you to not do it again. I mean, if the burgers weren't so delicious and you hadn't just met someone who wants to do it
Yeah,
immediately afterwards,
I know.
how are you going to learn? It's going to be... What? I mean, don't make a habit out of it. Not all girls do that.
So do you think I should not do it? I mean, she wants me to. And I want to.
You want to?
Yeah, I mean, these are delicious.
Yeah, but I'm not going to... I can't do it anymore, Dave. It's like you said, when I was putting those body parts in, you said I was an accomplice. I don't want to be your...
But this is, she wants to do it, it's different, isn't it?
No, I mean, let's get written consent or something.
What?
That's just
Alright.
weird. I mean, that... Is it?
I'll get her to sign some of it.
Really?
If that makes a difference.
I guess so. So what are you going to do? Like...
Well, I've cleaned out the mincer since last time, that's not a problem.
No, I mean, the other guests. Alright, yeah, I'll be over in a minute.
Yeah. I just thought I'd tell them all to go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think they're actually going to do it now.
Yeah. You want to hang around and help out like before?
Oh. Yeah, I suppose I could. I mean, she's not going to be happy.
Oh yeah. She seems she's nice, yeah.
No, not her. My wife.
Oh,
Julie.
Judy, yeah. Well,
Just okay, I'll tell you what, I'll get Julie out.
alright, you
Get
get
rid
rid
of
of
her.
them. Get rid of them.
I'll get rid of them.
Alright.
I'll tell him there's an emergency coming.
Yeah.
I'll say it's a men's thing.
A men's thing, that's oh yeah, good one.
What is a men's thing?
I don't know, she won't ask, will she?
She asks everything. I don't.
Does she?
Yeah. What if she probes further?
Oh, I don't know.
Men's thing.
Just something about testicles. We got to check one another for testicular cancer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Julie.
Alright there.
All right.
Hello there, how you getting on?
Good.
Getting
Good.
another burger?
No, they're all gone. I'm afraid.
Oh, God.
All gone.
What's that on the floor?
Yeah, well, it's Dane's feeling a bit sick. He's thrown up.
Oh,
We think it might be testicular cancer.
Oh dear, oh,
I
he
know.
doesn't want to get that.
I know.
You tell him he doesn't want to get that.
I will tell him that. That's good advice. Now, what I need to do is a bit of men's thing.
Julie ex-husband had testicular cancer.
I know he did.
He had to have them chopped off.
Yeah.
Do you know how many testicles he's got now?
It's not the sort of thing that we should be talking about.
None.
I know. I know.
He had 2,
Yes.
and he had 1.
I'm sure there was an in-between, yes.
Now he's got none.
That's right. Well, they're probably around somewhere.
He's got them in a jar, but it's not the same. He says it's not the same at all.
No.
No.
Julie,
Yes, dear.
like I said, we've got men's things to do.
Men's things to do.
Yeah. Do you understand?
Going to feel one another's beats.
Yeah.
Look for lumps.
That's right.
You haven't got any lumps, dear. I check you regularly.
I know.
Every night when
I'm
you're
right.
asleep, I check.
I know. I know. And I appreciate that. You're a very good wife.
Your prostate's a bit swollen, but you've not got testicular cancer.
Julie,
Yes, dear.
we're going to have to get on with this fairly soon. Would you mind getting rid of the other guests? Not getting rid of, but like just moving everyone along.
Don't you worry, I'll sort them out. I'll come and give you a hand.
You're going to come and give
I'll
me a
come
hand?
and give you a hand.
You don't have to do
Oh,
that.
I should.
Yeah?
I used to work at that surgery, you remember? I know a thing or two.
Right, yeah. Okay, well just give me and Dave a moment.
All right.
Okay?
I'll get rid of them and I'll pop in and give you a hand.
Thanks, dear.
All right, dear.
Alright.
See you in there.
Yes, we'll see you in there.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Dave,
Yeah.
Julie's going to get rid of the other guests.
Yeah.
But she's going to come back.
Well, what's she coming back for?
Well, because, you know, she used to be a surgeon.
Well, so, how does... You don't
She's
even...
going to help out, give me a hand. She said she's going to give me a hand.
You told her the testicular cancer thing?
Yes.
Oh,
She
I
knows a thing
fine.
or two about it.
Oh, well, we can get her to check their testicles. That's not a problem.
Okay, well, we're going to have to...
We just get Daisy in the other room. It's all right.
All right. Okay. Well, you go see the Daisy. I'll keep Julie at bay.
All right.
And I'll be ready when you're ready. But we're going to have to really manage this carefully, okay?
Yeah. I mean, it's, you know, I say the other room, it's a bedsit, isn't it? I tell you what I'll do. I'll slide across this bookcase so it's in the middle of the room and it's like a partition.
That's good. It's good.
And it's like having 2 rooms.
Yeah, this is a bit like...
It's just, obviously, it's like high. If we crouch down like this,
Right.
you can't see us then.
Okay.
If we do it like this, that's
Okay.
fine.
Oh,
Isn't it?
yeah. We'll put this vase on top.
Oh yeah, good idea. Then yeah,
All right.
put your head in exactly the right
It's
position.
just like...
Can you see me?
No,
No, there we go. That's fine. It's like in a completely different room.
it is.
All right, we'll do that then.
All right, well, I'll go in the other room.
All right.
And, good luck, I suppose.
All right. Thanks. Yeah. Right, Daisy. I'm ready for you, Daisy. Oh gosh, we've gone way over. All right. Oh, I've got the shovel here. You ready?
Well, I thought I could... Let me just have a little seat.
Yeah.
It's just been such a long time.
Yeah. You ready? Or are you taking you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And, ooh. All right.
All right, here we go. I'll smash you over the head with my shovel.
What? What?
Smash you over the head with my shovel. Is that how you wanted to do it?
No.
Well, how did you want me to kill you?
Kill me?
Well, I can't eat you without killing you, can I?
No.
I mean, you know.
No. No.
What?
No. No.
What?
No.
You want... What? What's up?
I thought you meant something else, Dave.
Did you?
Yes.
I thought I was pretty clear, to be honest.
No. I was looking at your tongue, not because I wanted you to kill me.
Right.
I thought I was being sexual.
Were you?
Well, I know it's hard, but yes, I was trying to be.
Yeah. But,
You weren't actually going to kill me.
of course I was. You wanted me to eat you.
Eat me out?
Ew, no. Ew. That's horrible, isn't it? Horrible, that. No, I'm not doing that.
What?
Well, look at you, really fat, aren't you? I don't eat a fat girl. I want to eat a fat girl.
What? This is the worst. You're despicable. How dare you? What? You ain't just want me because I'm curvy.
Yeah, you've got all that lovely curviness. Oh, that makes them lovely crackly.
I'm not your dinner.
Well, apparently not now. You were gonna be, but you've ruined that, haven't you? It's a good job I ate 6 burgers. But well, you know, I think you should probably put that sugar down because I don't like the way you're looking at me now.
I don't think I should put any sort of weapons within your reach at all.
Well, alright, well, forget it then. Just go. Alright, it's ruined now, isn't it? You've ruined it. Don't do that. I'm feeling bad again now. I keep doing things and then people make me feel bad about them.
What did you last feel bad about?
Well, I did the same thing to my last girlfriend.
What do you mean? You made her run away, or
Smashed her head in an egg. What do you think them burgers were made out of?
The burgers were yours?
Yeah. They were good, weren't they? You said they were
They were
good.
good, but no. This is too much.
Alright.
I don't want to be here anymore.
Alright, well, piss off then.
I'm going to call the police.
But what, no. Hang on, no.
Yes?
You can leave if you want, but there's no need for that, is there? I ain't done anything yet. It was just a misunderstanding, yeah?
I don't. What's going on?
Oh.
Sorry, I was in the other room.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Are
She
you all right?
She don't want to do it anymore.
You don't want to.
What? Copped out.
What did you think he meant? Oh.
Yeah.
What, you don't want to.
Well, no. No, it wasn't that fat.
Dave, you can't go saying that, mate. It's not. Look, she's. Oh.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Doesn't matter.
It's all right.
That's a bit of a mess, isn't it?
Mate, yeah.
I don't know what to do now.
Tell you what.
Yeah.
Lighten the mood.
Oh, I'm going to get my apron. Alright, boys, you ready for me now?
Yeah,
Alright, let's have a little look, shall we? Come on, Dave, here we go. You want to get in on this, love? We're just feeling them up for testicular cancer.
What?
Just checking. Oh, do you think that's a lump there? That feels like a lump.
You know what?
That's a lump, isn't it?
May I?
Yeah, go on, see what you think. What have I got? Have I got testicular cancer?
I'm not really checking for that, but I guess.
You guess?
Yeah. I'm kind of liking this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Still a bit peckish as well.
Right.
Got any pudding?
Pudding. I think there's some ice cream in the freezer. Yeah. I mean, you can just stop that if you want. I'm not really in the mood. I just found out I've got testicular cancer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I could remove it for you.
Well, someone's going to have to, aren't they? Alright then. You can rip it off with your teeth, is that what you're suggesting? Sure, let's get it over with then. Alright. I feel like I deserve this in many ways. That's really painful!
That's our show.